Absolutely crap.
Andy, you did.
Bonjour.
It's not working. I can't see shit.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm gonna have to sneak.
You know you're gonna get fucked for this, don't you?
I thought you were going to say, how the hell did they make the bill?
Niall really is the gobby one, innit?
We have always been big fans of.
Bastard! I did that good! You did that I did that good! That's fucking rich. Yeah, serious.
Olivia's job needs to calm the fuck down.
They'd be like, damn, hell yeah.
Holy shit.
Dick! Remember the last time I walked out here?
Will you say happy birthday, Niall?
One tattoo on here.
Oh, that shit, then get rid of it.
Wanker. Get wank, fuck cunt.
Hashtag crazy ass idea day.
Thank you so much for making this.
Bless you.
Bless me.
Okay. You go the same way as what your elbow's going.
What has all the attention been like?
Bless you.
God bless you.
You don't get that much negative press. The press are really good to it, so bless you, Liam. I'm gonna sneeze there. Sneeze. Excuse-moi.